Hey YouTube, thanks for checking out my video. I haven't posted anything in a while. I've been tied up with some personal things, but I finally got back out to Frontier Fortress recently, so I've got some action. There wasn't that many people showed up, so these are just some small clips.
Left side, lower level.
Yes, you're seeing that correctly. I've got a new setup. It's a Classic Army
On me.
DT4 with 2 Inferno engines.
John, I got covering fire. Oh, where were you?
Right here.
We were fighting with it. That was crazy. He was dug in there, man. Good hiding.
Yeah, I got 3 kills flanking really hard.
I don't think I ever hit him, but did you like that move?
Yeah. No, I was trying to figure out where he was.
I told you, lower level.
No, guy was right there.
That was Sam.
Oh!
What? We trying to shoot me over here?
Get up. Take right, take right. I don't see anything. Do you?
Gilly's dug down.
Oh, okay. Towards the big hill,
Yeah.
lower level. Your side, your side.
He was sniping me from there. So I shot go past me.
Yeah, he's real close too, though.
Yeah, it almost hit me. I'm push across, all right?
Yeah, go. Got him. Sniper's down. Who do you see?
Just watching.
Do you see somebody?
Nope.
Oh, okay. There you go. Nice. Got him. Good job. Let's go, John. Let's go. You and me. Go, go. They know we're here. Sammy, cover on the center for me. Cover on the center. No, top, yeah. Yeah. Top of the hill. Mutual. I'll let you back up, you let me back up. I got you? Oh, I got you? Oh, snap. Oh. Somebody just team killed me. Who just shot me from our guys back here? John, did you just shoot me? Somebody just shot me from right here. You did? Yeah, I was like this and I got hit right here. I was aiming it towards you and got hit in my back.
I think I might just run this thing. It's working better for me. How's it going?
Oh man, that was intense, guys. Where did I hit you at?
Oh, you got me in my thigh right here.
Oh man, that was intense. Good job.
I did some Call of Duty
Good
shit.
shot. I don't know how. Seriously, I was like this and I got hit on my back shoulder. And I'm like, somebody just team killed me.
You know, for some shots up there, like you go behind cover, so I had to tilt this way and shoot around corners like that.
Maybe it went.
Yeah, I did a couple like that.
Yo, I saw you like throw him in the middle. I was like, yo, where's the shot?
Thanks for that cover. So there was a guy right back in here.
I know. I think it was over there or here.
Yeah, I was there and he was behind that one. And my only fear was whoever was up top here.
I saw him. He missed one, and then the second shot, one shot just dead center plate carrier.
A nice flare gun kill too.
Yeah.
I'll put that in my video. That was impressive.
Nice kill. He just like.
Sammy, can you cover for me, top of that hill? Good job.